She'll never be a game show host.
I'm eating, but I keep having everybody starting. And
I know, you're like, oh,
scream at me.
you can't start, and then, okay, start.
Well, good. She should have started before. I let them know it's 30. I do.
Pick it up again and do it again.
30 seconds. This is harder than I thought.
What's the quietest you girls have been? I like it.
20 seconds. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. I don't see anybody coming close. I got my foot.
You sure you got stronger toilet paper?
Okay.
Oh, kick down, girl. Looking good.
Oh my gosh, Kate has it down. Okay, you're a minute into it.
Go, Kate. Go,
Jamie
Kate.
looking good.
Hurry up, Kate. Kate's doing good.
Let's switch the girl over here.
This is Bailey.
Bailey looking away. Ah, she broke it. She's doing well.
Look at Evan. He's doing well.
You have 20 more seconds.
Jamie, what happened to you?
Hey, I think you're doing a good job there.
Oh, broke. Bailey looks
Should we
good.
go another minute? I don't
No.
see anybody done. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's see who's got the most.
Look at Kate.
Here, you judge. I'll get a garbage.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Steph, you're out. Jamie, not too bad. I don't know. Claire, you're out. You're out. Kate, who's it down to? How many girls win? Huh? Oh, Evan, you cheated. You're out. It's on top of them. All right. It looks like Bailey, right?
Yes.
Bailey, Kate. Kate. Kate? And the winners, Jamie,